so it's Lacey and I am back here today with another squishy experiment, only this time I chose 3 of our homemade squishies to actually do the experiment on. I have the jumbo, extra jumbo watermelon homemade squishy, the rainbow chawa cake homemade squishy, and the strawberry homemade squishy. So I'm just going to show you guys how they squish before. This is one of my favorite homemade squishies that we've made. So soft and so slow rising. And here's the homemade chawa cake. This has to be another favorite just because it's so big. So I'm going to put these in the freezer for about 15 minutes or so, and I will bring them back and show you guys how they squish after. Okay guys, so it's been about 18 minutes or so. So these are our homemade squishies, put them in the freezer. This will be my 3rd squishy experiment, but my first homemade squishy experiment. So let's see how they squish. So here's the homemade strawberry, and it barely squishes. It's very hard. And it's taking forever to get back to its original shape. The top you can barely squish, so that's pretty much like close to frozen. So I'm going to try the watermelon. This one is about the same, so they're like freezing. If I would have left them in there for any longer, they probably would have froze. Just a very, very, very hard. Try to squeeze the whole thing. Oh my goodness. So very hard to squeeze the whole thing. It's very hard. These are all made with memory foam. So here's the chawa cake. This one's very hard as well. So they are all like frozen pretty much, I want to say. Definitely slower rising and longer to get back to the original shape, but also much harder than they were before. Memory foam is very soft and squishy, so during this experiment I learned that it freezes pretty fast, I guess you would say. So I'm going to squish them all one more time for you guys. Just put them down. Whoops. Maybe one more time. They're starting to gain their squishiness back, which didn't take long for them to do. So that's a good thing. So that is going to be it for this squishy experiment. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below how it turned out with your homemade squishies and what material you made them out of. Like I said, these were all made out of memory foam from a pillow from Walmart, so it's legit memory foam, very squishy, very slow rising. And once you put the puffy paint on, it changes the texture a bit, and now I know once you put them in the freezer, it changes them a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed for more videos like this and other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!